I gotta change out the water pump, so I think this is pretty simple. Take off these. This one, I think that just holds the tube in, so I'll leave that in. Take out these 3 bolts, which look like they're maybe 7/16, yeah. Excuse me. Yeah, they're not bad at all. There's going to be a washer underneath it. Seeing that one's a half, and this is 7/16. Man, this is a Pittsburgh ratchet, and I really like it, but it definitely lost its, like, so many teeth inside this mechanism. Kind of lost that after a while. Alright. Spend half the time trying to find your tools. So there's a 7/16 in it, yes. I have a half somewhere here. No. So now I gotta find my half. Alright. What happened to my half? Huh. Maybe I got a half and just a wrench. Okay, let me go find a half. And well, that took a minute. And then it was right there on my Makita. Or actually, that's a Bauer. Makita's blue. Bauer's red. That's another thing. I got that from Harbor Freight, and I couldn't be happier with that little lithium impact gun. Ah, damn it. Alright, well, now I gotta find my nut. I'm not having a good day. I am really not having a good day. Had a guy come over this morning, picked up his boat. We had to have like a big conversation because I mean, he wants a bunch of stuff done. I don't know. I should say. Damn it. Okay, well, let me turn this off because now I'm gonna have to find that nut. Jeez. Alright, well, I found it. No, it's not having a good day. I'm not good at sometimes interacting with people. Because I was trying to do something good for a guy, and I don't know what his deal was. I don't know if he was trying to get over as much as he could on me, or if he just really didn't know, but not only that, it was like some manners was missing. I mean, just show up unannounced, tell me, oh yeah, let's meet at 9:30, and then I don't think this comes up. Let's see this cracks. We'll break it. I think this just holds the tube in, if I remember right. Let's do this. Yeah, there's one over here too, I think. Yeah, that just holds that in. I don't know why I did that. The new kit comes with one of these. See if we can get this to pop up. Yeah. And then it's got several. If I can get these washers off. I mean, we did have a slight miscommunication earlier, but he still, I tried to do everything I could to do more than I said I would. So the impeller, I mean, it doesn't look terrible. Housing doesn't look terrible, but it's definitely got memory. So we're gonna replace that. Yeah, this is a thing. So, and then we got a plate which we want to replace, and we got our impeller key. So hang on to that. Yeah, it don't look bad at all. Not at all. And we got this gasket. Just take it off. We're gonna replace it anyway. So we got a Mercury one. I'll do the Mercury one. So 4696148T8. I've been told the 8, like A5, A4, whatever the number, it's just basically the same parts, but the kits are slightly different. So we got our impeller, and we're going to set that over here out of the way. We got our housing. Looks like they give you a new tube and some O-rings. Give you a new impeller. New seals for when you put oil in this. That's why the kits, I mean, $50, it's definitely worth it. So there's the housing, the upper housing, not the lower, the upper. And then they give you some gaskets. So that we want to get this gasket off. And these things haven't changed in quite some time. Dang it. Come on up higher. It had a good pump on it because this gasket wouldn't be like this. Definitely one where you probably could have got away with just changing the impeller, but better be safe than anything else. Okay, what I do? All right, so then we're gonna grab the right one, the right gasket. So it's not those. Lay those there. So that's one gasket, and of course you got, you know, so it's the same pump for like maybe a few different ones. Now if you look at this one, this is probably the failure. See how they had, so that chamber wasn't separated, so this one needs to go in like so. And you'll know because like there's our dowel pin and there's a dowel pin back here. Like I said, most of these pumps are all like very much the same. So yeah, there's your dowel pin. And then I got a little tube at 24C. Kind of get where I can't get it on the finger, but I usually put a bunch here. I will put some on these guys. I'll put a little here. I'll put some over there. And you could do the studs before. I mean after. But if you do this right here, then it'll help. Man, why would that cap go up? Probably because there's oil or grease on this end. Anyway, that's what I need to do. Get the grease from the other end. And have you some rags. You're gonna get grease on your hands. But yeah, we got that. Then we're gonna put our plate. So it's gonna go like this. It's gonna go like that. We put our plate on. You'll know by the dowel pins. And then we're going to have another gasket, which is going to be that guy. You know, and like I said, these two are for like a different pump, I believe. But it's going to go like that. And we're going to use our new impeller key. So we're going to open this guy up. So now I find a pair of scissors. Where did my scissors go? There's some. Since I got this empty, some of this out of the way. Yeah, like I said, we'll just set this over here. But grab our new impeller key, wherever it went. And we're going to put a power key right there. And we're going to grab our new silk, our new, I'm sorry. Just looking at stuff, Anyway, I'm going to put a new impeller on. And a lot of times I'll take and put a little grease in here. You can put, I like silicone spray. So I'm just going to do a little. Different people use different things. Like I've heard Vaseline, but then like Vaseline is a petroleum. I mean that says tube, but it won't hurt rubber or plastic. So, and I'm just looking down through here. Some of them have a stop. Like this one should go on like that. I didn't even pay attention to it. Okay. Should go this way. Some of them are tight. There it goes. Just gotta push down. Just don't be scared, Alright, so then our new housing, wherever it went, right here, I'll spray that in there as well. And we can install our tube, because if we look at this one, and take this out, you'll see like there's the rubber grommet, you know. So this one's gonna have the rubber grommet, you know. Anyway, so like I said, they give you a lot of extra stuff. Make sure I'm not dropping something else. But just making sure I'm not dropping anything. Anyway, so we're gonna spray the inside of this, or it does help. Now, if I need to, I can get a pair of channel locks, which I'm going to do. Let's see if I can. Yeah, I got them in here. Great. And now I'm going to put these channel locks on there. It's like a rag. It won't hurt it anyway. This is above the drive shaft. I mean, this drive shaft is. Alright, so now that I got it like that, hopefully you can see this. Yeah, I think so. Just push down while I turn this. And that gets that on. I'll leave that for now. These are just extra. Throw them in a kit somewhere. We're going to have just looking at that, but this is going to go right here. And we'll put like this around here. And there is an O-ring, couple things, but yeah, we won't need all that stuff, so go ahead and put our bolts back on with our washers. So this is that 1/2" bolt that I dropped. So this guy right here is pretty simple. It's just getting it off, you know. Honestly, it's probably good that it came off, because then a guy can check, make sure it was done right. So nobody put any grease or anything on that dowel pin back here, and that's a problem, because that would definitely give you issues later on. Yeah, let me drop that. Let me find out what I did with my stuff. It was never ending deal. Like, where did I set it down? Where did I set it down? Where did it go? You know, where's this? Where's that? This, that, the other thing. Alright, you get the idea. I'm going to put this, I guess I'll put it on there. I don't know what to do here. Where's the deal? Where's the thing? Well, I don't know where it went. Not having a good day, I guess. Nothing's going like according to what I want it to do. But I do like that I got this, and I just kind of run it down, and then, because they're lock washers, lock nuts, so you don't need to go crazy. Just run this down. Oh, it's right over there. It's in front of my face. So weird. I'm having weird days. See, it's right here, right. You guys are probably screaming all along. Dude, it's right there. It's right there in front of your face. That extension is right there, man. It's right there in front of your face. Okay. Half inch again. That sounds like a song. Half inch again. So then just make sure that's not rubbing right there.
Got that off already?
Yeah.
Dang.
I got the new water pump on.
Yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do, Jeff. I'm going to...
Well, I got the camera on.
Huh?
I got that camera going.
What camera?
This one right here.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Well...
Well, what?
That's not good.
No, it's great. Except for I'm losing my wrenches everywhere.
What are you doing that for?
I don't know. Not having a good day, dude.
Oh, yeah, you are.
Well, had to get into it with that guy.
Yeah, kind of sets you in a bad mood.
It kind of makes things not good.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
I know it.
So it's just like, why are you? I'm like,
why are you doing this?
I'm really going out of my way to help you, and you're just
but
like
you're treating me like I'm not.
Right. So this is like bad business that you're doing right now, dude. Because I'm like the one guy in your corner on this deal, and you're over there just tearing me apart. Not tearing me apart, but you know, just giving me grief. You know, why are you giving me grief, man? Especially when I gave him a free carb job that was worth $375. You know.
You ain't putting this out there, are you?
No.
On the tubes.
No.
Okay.
But
Why
I
are you doing
could.
that?
Why?
Because that's not cool.
It's not cool.
No. Well, now.
What now? What are you? Oh wow!
No.
It's an iPhone. It's bad. This one like was hung up on this stupid dowel pin. I have to clean that all up. Put some grease on it. I don't understand why people pull these apart and they don't put grease on stuff. You know?
Makes no sense.
It kind of doesn't.
It's gonna see a lot of water.
Exactly. You know, so I've been putting it on the...
So is this the new pump?
Yeah.
Cool.
The other one didn't look terrible. It had memory. Oh, and there was a gasket on the bottom that was kind of torn. So maybe that did... I don't know. Probably while I have it off, I should flush it. You know what I mean? So I know that there's water going up through the power head. Plus, while I have the thermostats out, you know what I mean? I'll just flush that through, I think.
Cool. Well, I'll let you, since you were videoing.
Oh, you ain't gotta go away.
Oh, I thought I did.
It's alright, he said.
The hell with this damn